So we're set up for a little bit of yakitori action here. Gonna do it on the yakitori grill. Love doing this, so delicious. This yakitori is amazing. The flavor, the juices that stay in the chicken because of that hot fire seal, it's incredible. Just when you take a bite, just juices explode in your mouth. It's amazing. You gotta watch the flare-ups. Flare-ups are what kills your yakitori. So you have to be attentive. If there's a flare-up, you gotta move your skewer so that it doesn't burn it too much. Low char is okay, but you don't want to kill it. So one of the best things for yakitori is to have a thermometer so you can check. So make sure it's 165 degrees at least. Make sure you're safe. Take it off. You want to probe yakitori in a few different places because they cook at different paces. But they cook relatively fast. So just got to keep an eye on it. That one's good. All right, I'm almost done with all that yakitori. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Enjoy.